Testifire is the world's first all-in-one tester for single and multi-sensor detectors. It combines the ability to test smoke and heat from one unit, and there is also a version which adds the ability to test CO. Using an all-in-one test tool eliminates the need to carry multiple tools and the requirement to switch between tools when testing different detectors or sensors, saving time and maximizing productivity. Testifire can test one stimulus at a time or in any combination, providing a test solution for the widest range of detectors. Traditional test tools generally rely on pressurized aerosol canisters. These are considered hazardous and, as a result, are heavily regulated when it comes to the environment, safety, storage, and transportation. They can also be over-applied, which can affect the performance of the detector. Testifire uses non-pressurized capsules, which eliminate these concerns. Better for the environment, better for the detector. False alarms caused by some aerosol products and stimulus, such as steam, have led to advances in detector design. This has meant some detectors now take longer to respond or fail to respond at all to smoke from pressurized aerosols. The smoke generated by Testifire overcomes this problem, ensuring compatibility with detectors of all types and sizes from the world's leading detector manufacturers. And that's not all. Users tell us that the clearing function and the high heat setting are real advantages. The clearing function blows smoke away from the detector, preventing repeat alarms and saving significant time on site. The high heat settings allow for testing of heat detectors that require a temperature higher than 90 degrees Celsius to activate. Service managers tell us they love the features of Testifire and the professional image it presents. Testifire delivers fast, safe, and compliant functional testing of all smoke, heat, and CO detectors. It's approved by the world's leading detector manufacturers, is UL certified, and has been acknowledged with an award for innovation. Try it for yourself. Get in touch to start your trial